y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I got a new ponytail and it is from Cutie Pie Tresses of cutiepietresses.com. This is how I received the ponytail, just like this, in this cute baggie, and it shipped FedEx, and girl, I got it super fast. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the ponytail. Now as I take it out of the package, I'm going to tell you about this ponytail. Now this ponytail is human hair and is perfect for natural hair types. It's going to mimic that black girl magic hair, girl. So this is what it looks like. OMGG. So pretty. Look how voluminous it is. Look at the hair. Look at that texture. So pretty. So this is going to mimic most hair types. Now if you don't like to do a sleek base and you want your hair to have some of this natural curl pattern on display, this is going to be perfect for you. This is so pretty. The hair feels so soft and easy to manage, though you can tease it out and make it bigger if you'd like, but this looks to be about 20 inches, I would say, between 18 and 20 inches. Very nice, so nice. And should you want to straighten it out, you can very well straighten it out if you want to, but I don't know why you want to do that, because this is just so beautiful, just like this. So while my hair is already in a ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and attach it. But if you're familiar with my channel, you know how I attach my ponytails. But let me show you this one. This cap construction or ponytail construction is kind of standard. You still have your comb here at the top. You have one at the bottom, and here's your drawstring. So nice, and it looks of size, so it looks like it'll cover up the base of your ponytail, of your bun, your ball, or whatever you do pretty good. And yeah, I like it. So let's go ahead and put it on and see how she looks. So pretty. Alright, so here it is. OMGG. She is so pretty. I love the fluff. I love the feel of the hair. I'm loving the texture. She's so pretty. I'm loving it. Very natural looking. I feel like this looks just like my natural hair. This looks just like it. So pretty. And I am wearing it in like a natural color. This is like a number 2. I wear mostly all my ponytails in a number 2. So loving it. Be sure to let me know what you think of this beautiful natural hair friendly ponytail. So gorge. Loving it. OMGG. And you can do a lot with it. So if you want to put some flexi rods in it to give it some curl, you can definitely do that. Some setting lotion and a few flexies. That'll be cute. So pretty. Or give it a coily look. Put some setting lotion, twist it up, let it stay overnight, and then unravel it. It'll be pretty. You can do some cute buns with it. So pretty. So much you can do with this hair. So gorgeous. So be sure to let me know what you think of the Cutie Pie Tresses drawstring ponytail hair. So gorgeous. I am in love with this hair. And it is very affordable. This is one of those pieces that you can have in your collection for a very long time. So yeah, definitely reusable. You can condition it, wash it, all that good stuff, and keep this for a very long time. So yes, this is one that I highly recommend. So you have to check out Cutie Pie Tresses. So cute. Now you can wear this like I have it in a high ponytail, low ponytail, whatever you like, and it's still going to look great. But that is it for me, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video.